Episode 2 of Drawing With. Today, I drew with leaves and a little berry. And a pen at the end, but, it doesn't really matter. I'll tell you about it.
Alright, for this time I'm going outside right now, taking my sketchbook and my tripod. I didn't end up using it, but I didn't know that. And that's why I took it, because I thought I would use it. Anyway, these are some trees out here in the vast savanna that is the lake right across my house. I was looking for something around the area to use to draw with. So I don't know. I found these eggs here. That was out of the question. Then I saw these leaves. Prior to this, I had picked up a blade of grass and tried it in my sketchbook. It did not work. But I found these. These seem to work. I also picked up a little bit of an extra thing there. These little berries. While I was doing this, I was kind of afraid that I was picking up poisonous things. I mean, I don't really know what poison ivy looks like. I know it doesn't look like that. But anyway, here it is. You can see you don't really get a mark from it, but if you tear it, I guess you're just kind of like you're literally opening up the leaf, and you're kind of drawing with the juices. Sounds weird, right? Drawing with the juices. I should rename the channel Drawing with the Juices. And then I'll just draw with like orange juice and apple juice. You'll see here I'm getting a pretty good amount of pigment from that leaf. It was pretty challenging actually, because the leaf would deteriorate with every time I applied a little bit of pressure. So you'll see I start tearing the leaf more. It's kind of like a China marker, you just pull that little string and you get more of the medium. And so every once in a while I would have to tear more and more of the leaf, or just get a new leaf. I had a pretty good amount, so I was feeling pretty good about it. For this drawing, I chose to draw a father and his son sitting on the train. This is from a picture that I took a while back. I'll put it up right now. You can see it there. I thought it was a pretty nice image. So, every once in a while I'll just take out my phone and take pictures of random things, as if I'm some sort of photographer. But I guess we can all do that now with our fancy smartphones. But yeah, so that's what that is. And what else can I say about this? It was pretty challenging to get that amount of pigment out of the leaf. I would have to kind of use my nail. At that point, my nails were long. I was letting them grow a little bit just so I could experiment with some guitar playing. Sometimes I let them grow, just mainly because I'm lazy. But so I had them pretty long, and I was using the side of the nail, or really the top of the nail, the part you see when you're looking at your fingertip, the flat part, that is. And I was using that to apply pressure through the leaf onto the page. So basically what I was doing was kind of mashing the leaf into the page. If I used the tip of my nail, I would just cut the leaf, and that would not work. So it was very uncomfortable to do this. I had to, you can see I'm using my index finger too, and my thumb. Right there you can see what I was doing more. How I was putting my thumb, the flat side of my nail, onto the page. So that's essentially what the drawing looks like, just using the leaves. And you can see here what I was talking about. It kind of got under my nails. I decided to use this little berry. I didn't know if I was going to use it when I picked it up. But I said, why not? So I did. And I was surprised at that too. I got a little carried away with it, much like how you get carried away when you have like a white gel pen and a black page. This is what it looks like with just the berry and the leaves. But I decided to take it a little bit further. So I added this gel pen to it, just to define some things here and there. Actually, I drew the whole thing with the gel pen. I said to myself, this is kind of cheating, but it's not, because I already did the drawing. You know, it's my channel. I can do whatever I want. So, but I already did the drawing with the leaf and the berry. And you know, I kind of wanted to go that Mythbusters route. Just take it all the way and see what I can get out of it as far as a finished drawing, and not just for the sake of these videos, you know. So I don't know if it's evident, but that was a lot of fun. Drawing with the leaf was a lot of fun too. Slightly more stressful, but in doing that, drawing with the leaf, I kind of blocked out all the big shapes first, and it kind of just told me, or guided me, where to go with my line. I find that it's easier to do that. It's almost akin to working with a toned paper, you know, that brown paper. Some sketchbooks come like that. And you kind of let the tone of the paper work for you as the mid-tone. So this is what it looks like. I thought the video was going to be a lot longer, actually, so didn't expect it to end there, but there it is. Thanks for watching, guys.